So it's pretty wild that, and this is a true situation, the average credit card interest rate in the United States is 16%. Suppose a card with 16% interest rate compounded monthly is used to make a $3,000 purchase, and the borrower pays the debt off over a period of 5 years and doesn't pay anything else or doesn't buy anything else on the card. We're asked to figure out what would be the monthly payment, what will be the total amount the borrower will repay, and how much was paid in interest. And so our S, or our total amount, is going to be $3,000. We don't know what the monthly payment is going to be. The rate is 16%, compounded monthly, and T is going to be 5 years. So our R over M is going to be 0.16 over 12, and MT is going to be 12 times 5. That's 60. If I grab a calculator and do 0.16 over 12, let's see how that comes out. Comes out as a repeating decimal, so I'm going to leave it as a fraction. And so we swap our information over here into, this is the present value of ordinary annuity formula, because as we saw in one of these previous slides, this is a case where the value is going down. It's one lump sum in the account. A loan is one lump sum. We are making withdrawals or payments to the account. And so the present value of ordinary is what we use because the value is going down. So our S is 3,000. Our R, we don't know. 1 minus 1 plus I is 0.16 over 12 to the power of negative 60 over 0.16 over 12 again. So on to Wolfram we go. Got to grab my present value of ordinary annuity formula first, though. Thank goodness for copy paste. And so we did have our value of $3,000. Looking for the payment. Our I is 0.16 over 12. Our N is going to be 60. And our I is again 0.16 over 12. And Wolfram, of course, is not going to finish it for us. We've got to divide by 41.1217. And that means that our monthly payment is going to be $72.95. So for part A, monthly payment is $72.95. That really seems like something that I could afford. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to go buy $3,000 worth of stuff on a credit card. Just kidding, because let's see what's about to happen. Our next piece is what is the total amount the borrower will repay. And so for part B, what we would need to do is take our monthly payment, multiply it by 12 months in a year, and multiply it by the 5 years that we are going to have this loan. And so if we go ahead and do that, we get $72.95 times 12 times 5. We paid back $4,377. So total payoff is $43.77. So, and then our last piece there, everyone, how much was paid in interest? That's a simple one to answer. We borrowed $3,000. It cost us $4,377. The difference there is $1,377 was paid in interest. Yeah, mister, but the monthly payment was really cheap. Yeah, it was, but it cost you $1,377 to do that. Why would you do that? I don't know. Moving on.